Okay, so this is problem 3.3.39, and they're asking us to graph x equals -4. And we need to remember that whenever we're looking at graphing an equation that only has one of the variables in it, then we're looking at a special case line. And in this particular instance, whenever we have x equal to a constant, we're actually talking about a vertical line. So for x equals -4, if we were looking at a graph here, and I'm just doing, you have graph paper on exams and stuff, but just doing some hash marks here. If we just go to where x equals -4, which is right here on our graph, and we're going to draw a vertical line through that point, okay? So you can do a couple of things. You can either just memorize that x equals a constant is always a vertical line through the point, or you can think about it in a couple of different ways. You can think about, I'm trying to graph every single point that has x as a -4 for its x coordinate. So if you look at this, here's, -4, 0, -4, 1, -4, 2, and so on. And that tells you that we're actually graphing this in the vertical direction. The other way to think of this, if you forget whether it's horizontal or vertical, is to just look at the hash mark. If we go to x equals -4 right here, the hash mark is going vertically, right? So we're just going to extend it. Okay, so that would be x equals -4 on that particular problem. And then a similar problem, problem 3.3.47, they're asking us to graph 7/2. Well, in order to know where to graph this, we really should convert this into a mixed fraction. And 7/2 is 3.5. And so then it would just be a vertical line through 3.5. So if we go to, whoops, if we go in between 3 and 4, and this is a ballpark for us, obviously we can't be exact when we're not on a grid, but this would be x equals 3.5 vertical line right there. Okay, and that's it on those problems.